Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Kia Sportage side mirror. Start by parking on level ground and folding the mirror inward by hand if possible. Use a cloth to protect the finish and gently pry the mirror housing seam with a trim tool. Remove any visible screws and carefully lift the cover to access the motor or glass. Keep small parts organized to avoid losing clips or screws during reassembly. Begin by adjusting the mirror to its furthest position to access the inner edge. Heat the glass slightly if the adhesive is cold or stiff to ease removal. Carefully press at the inside edge and tilt the glass outward until the retaining clips release. Support the glass with your other hand and place it on a padded surface to prevent damage while you service the housing or replace the motor. Once the glass is removed, unfasten screws holding the housing and watch for hidden clips. Gently lift the housing to reveal the motor and wiring harness, taking care not to strain connectors. Inspect for frayed wires or corroded terminals and replace any damaged parts. Reconnect the battery and test the mirror adjustment to confirm motor function before snapping the housing back into place and reinstalling the glass for a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.